Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender on these beautiful tropical summer nights in San Diego. Today we're gonna give it another chance to this amazing product. This is the Amarás Espadín, and today we're gonna make it everybody's dream. Famous and naked. Please stay with me and let me show you how we're gonna pour this guy. All right, so the famous and naked cocktail. Hey, for some of us, it is a nightmare. For some of them, it is kind of like a dream to become true. But hey, let's give it a chance to this cocktail. All right, you guys. So this is one of those ingredients, one of these cocktails that are like a super easy to make at home, and it's going to be consistent on only 4 ingredients. So let's start with 3/4 of our Amarás Espadín. Followed by 3 ounces of Aperol. I'm sorry, 3/4 of an ounce. Followed by 3/4 of Chartreuse. Green. You might be asking yourselves, this is not the bottle of Chartreuse. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a try this time because I am not a big fan of Chartreuse. So I talked to my friend Victor, and he was so kind to give me some of it for the purposes of the video. And last but not least, 3/4 of a lime juice. Let's get some ice. And let's stir very well. I just wonder how Chartreuse is gonna be tasting with Mezcal. So let's make sure that you are stirring, that way you will dilute the ingredients with the ice, and at the same time you just get them really, really, really cold. All right, let's get a really nice fancy coupe, strain it. And there you have it. Ready for those tropical nights? The famous and naked. Please remember, don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't drink and drive. See you next time.